It is Tuesday, the 1st of November. What? My favorite month. It's got my B-Day, which I told you yesterday, and it's got Thanksgiving, which is the fabulous, grateful holiday. I love Thanksgiving. There's no pretense, just food, family, fun. It's so much fun. I love Thanksgiving. All right. I want to tell you today about our series of Sunday holiday decor DIY, do it yourself. So I want to show you what we are going to create. So first of all, on this coming Sunday, we are going to do pumpkins, right? Pumpkins again. And these are done in this great chenille yarn, Bella Chenille from Universal, and I'll show it to you. I have tons of colors. But you'll get 2 skeins of yarn, 2 different colors that you can choose, and you can make all different sizes. We've got these 2, and then the next size down, and a bitty baby size down. So there you go. So pumpkins, Sunday from 12:30 to 2:30, I do believe. And then, same thing, Sunday, same day, we have DIY Christmas trees. I'm trying to reach them. All right, same chenille yarn, same 2 colors you get. And frankly, you'll get the cones, the bases for the trees. You'll get the yarn, 2 colors of yarn to cover the 3 different size trees. And frankly, it's enough to make the pumpkins as well. But if you want orange pumpkins, you can pick orange, and if you want green or turquoise or whatever trees, you can pick that. So trees are from 2 to 4. Is that right? I think so. Pretty sure. Call us, but those are the 2 times, all right? So Christmas trees later in the afternoon, pumpkins earlier in the day. 12:30 to 2:30 and 3 to 5. I'm sorry. These are 3 to 5. Okay? And then we don't have anything scheduled for the 13th, but on the 20th, which happens to be my birthday, I will not be teaching. But Lisa will be doing this adorable Macromade Wreath. She just attached a bow. We can attach any kind of bow. It's on a ring. You'll get the yarn and the ring to make this Macromade Wreath, which would be so pretty on your door or inside your house. It's not heavy, but it would be lovely. You could decorate it with all kinds of baubles and make it very festive, right? So this is on the 20th. The Macromade Wreath is $40. The pumpkins is $30. The trees are $35. So 30, 35, 40. And then the last Sunday in November, we're going to help you decorate your door, bigger door. And everything's falling, including my camera. We're going to do the Pom Pom Wreath. So fun. I think it goes like this. The Pom Pom Wreath. This is a silk ribbon that we have on ours. We are not going to be doing the ribbon, but you will get the wreath, and we will have all the yarn that you can choose, or you can bring your own to make all these different pom-poms, and you will get a pom-pom maker. So that will be $45. All right? $45 for the Pom Pom Wreath. Oh gosh, I'm having technical difficulties today. Not doing so well. All right, now let me show you all the colors of chenille that I have, all right? So if they all don't fall down. So I have white, and this is so soft and so cozy. The chenille is $9.50 a skein. So this is the Bella Chenille, and there's white. Then we have this, looks like oatmeal, this oatmeal color, which is lovely. Then there is a pale gray. These are all sort of, decorator-ish colors that might go with your house. This is pale gray, which is lovely. And then there's oatmeal. So pretty. And then we have chocolate brown. That would be pretty. If you have things that are brown, you can do your trees out of brown, your pumpkins. And then we have the teal, which is what we did our trees and our pumpkins out of. This teal, I think we did the teal and the gray is what we did. But that teal, and then we have aqua. Pretty, if that's in your color season. This is sort of sea foamy, right? Nice. Then we have more of a bluey green, and then we have more of a greeny green. Okay, those are for your trees. And last but not least, your pumpkins for Thanksgiving can be in this beautiful orangey red, love that, or regular old bright orange for pumpkins, or this pretty peachy pumpkin. So you get 2 skeins of yarn for the pumpkin class, 2 skeins of yarn for the Christmas tree cones class, and then for the you'll get the yarn and the ring for the Macromade Wreath. That's 40, and the green wreath with the pom-poms and the pom-pom maker is 45. All right? So fun. Don't miss it. It's a series of Sundays. We're sending out an email today or tomorrow, and you will get it. So, but call us and sign up if that's what you want to do. We'd love to have you. All right. We got a lot going on around here. It's November. It's holidays. Ding, ding, ding. And the ornaments that I show are going out the door. So I'm so excited. Everybody loves them. They're so fun. Yay. I'm already out of all the dinosaurs. I'm going to have to get more of those in. It's crazy. I love it. All right. I think that's it for tonight. I will see you tomorrow.